Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to unbox and review and customize the Blockies Transformers Model Kit Experience Nemesis Prime Classic Class from Blockies. Thank you very much Blockies for sending this for unboxing, review, and customization. So front of the box, you have the shot of the figure na merong holographic background. Sobrang angas mga moms sir. Super cool design. Very reflective, and meron siyang LED chest and eyes. Tapos sabi dito, no brush required, no glue, and no cutters. Pero gumamit ako ng cutters kasi ano to nasa runners yung mga parts niya. And dito sa side meron siyang shot of the action figure na nakapose, mga accessories, yung have the axe, some sort of a device, tapos may cannon, dalawang swords. Exclusive weapons and accessories, matching role specific weapons, dynamic combat stances. Tapos meron siyang whole body, joints are complete and movable. 20 movable joints, can hold various poses. Yan, ganito yung itsura ng mga parts. And meron din siyang base with flame effects, yung purple. Okay? Tapos ito yung bio ni Nemesis Prime. Again, thank you very much Blockies for sending this. So ito na yung mga parts niya. Nabuo ko na to. Buuin ulit natin. Super fun to build yung mga Blockies na mga toys and collectibles. Yan, ito yung chest niya. Yan, ito yung chest part niya. Tapos ang maganda rito mga moms sir, yung LED activated siya by shaking. Yan o. Kailangan. Yan o moms sir. Yan. Bright naman yung LED nito, so pwede niyang pailawin yung eyes ni Nemesis Prime. Yan. Yan. Pero maliwanag kasi yung yung ilaw, kaya hindi natin masyado makita. Pero pag gabi or dim yung display, makikita natin siya. Okay? Tapos dito ito yung kanyang crotch piece. Lalagay lang natin dito. Tapos ito yung kamay. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos ito yung kabilang, ito yung right hand niya. Very fun to build. Siguro may nabot lang ako ng 1 hour to build this. Classic class. Ito yung ito yung, ano man tawag dito? Tapos ito yung legs niya. Ito yung left leg. Wait lang buuin lang muna natin to. Left leg and right leg. Okay. Yan. Tapos ito yung Galaxy version ni Blockies. Ko-compare natin siya. Halos magkasing height lang pala. Magkasing height lang sila. Akala ko kasi mas malaki ito si Classic Class. Mas detailed siya. Yun yung difference niya. Detailed in terms of mechanical design. Ito 4.5 inches tall. Okay, shake test muna natin si Nemesis Prime. Wala naman siyang loose to joints, pero grabe ang ganda ng mechanical details ng action figure or ng toys and collectibles from Blockies. This is the Classic Class version. Compared dito sa Galaxy version nila, yung normal. Yan, mas in terms of sculpt, mas maraming panel lines, mas maraming sections or details yung Classic Class na versions. Yan. So gusto ko rin magkaroon ng mga Classic Class na Nemesis Prime, or rather Optimus Prime, yung iba't iba pa nilang armor designs. So this one's very cool. So this is the black version of Optimus. So yung color palette niya, black, purple, silver, and turquoise. Tapos meron ding red na translucent dun sa chest. Meron pa siyang alt na windows para kung gusto, actually red orange siya. Kung gusto mo palitan ng may bullet holes, pwede. Pero hindi siya butas. Meron lang siyang effect na merong bullet holes. So this is the front, the side, the back, and another side. And yung head niya, yan, yung eyes niya color red. So dumadaloy o nagpo-flow yung light from the chest to the joint, yung transparent joint. Ito, tanggalin natin. Yan o. Nagpo-flow yung light dyan para mapailaw yung LED na eyes. Parehong-pareho lang yung sculpt kay Optimus Prime. Ito naman yung dark version niya. Dark color palette. So you have the black helmet, a black na headdress or head armor, then the silver faceplate. Tapos merong mga pointed sections dito sa kanyang ears. Ito sa back, meron siyang angas ng back part nito, yung mechanical detail. You have the turbines, the silver na mga screws, armor plates. Tapos meron din mga smoke exhausts, silver sa kanyang shoulders. You have the Decepticon logo, you have the purple logo. Tapos sa loob, meron din siyang chest mechanical detail, very nice. So yung silver dito mas dark compared dito sa labas. So ito mas light na silver. Parang gunmetal yung loob. Tapos dito sa labas yung ibang sections ng silver mas light. And then you have the arm sections, the pipes, the turbines, the chains, the screws are there, very detailed sections or segments. Meron din dito sa likod ng arms. Super fun to build lang to. Mas advanced lang na onte dito sa mga Galaxy versions. Ayan. And then you have the crotch armor. This is 3 pieces, composed of 3 pieces lang yan, yung front, yung gitna, tsaka yung back. Tapos medyo nagkaroon lang ako ng hindi ko lang ma-figure out itong leg area, pero nung nakapa ako na kung paano siya gawin, since may manual naman, ginupit ko kasi lahat bago ko siya i-build. Since may manual naman, ma-figure out nyo kung saan pupunta yung mga parts. So makiklik sila, you don't need to apply any glue. Yeah, very very cool, very fun experience. Gusto ko pa bumili nung iba. Actually magre-request din ako kay Blockies na nung ibang armor ng classic class natin, papadala nila. Okay? So yun yung mga next na couple of projects natin. And then you have the legs. Meron pang mga mechanical details loob. Then meron din mga discs, very large discs, the exhaust, the pipes, the hydraulics, yung mga inner workings or inner frame nung suit or nung robot. Very cool. Then you have the legs, very large legs. You have the wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos meron pang armor panel dito sa likod. And then meron ding base ng feet. Laki ng feet niya for stability. Very good yan. And ito yung base. Actually dalawa yung bases niya. Pwede nyo pag-combine. Yan. Pwede nyo pag-combine yung base. Tapos pwede nyo patayuin dito si Nemesis Prime. Sa accessories naman, pwede niyang hawakan to. Dalawang sets to, dalawang pairs. So you have the swords. Teka, sumabit lang. Papasok niyo lang tong screw type. Tapos meron lang siyang peg. So pwede niyong i-equip yung kanyang swords. Something like this. Teka. Sumasabit yung armor. Alright. And then, sa kabila naman, pwede niyong tanggalin tong part na to. Yung kanyang arm. Wait lang medyo mahigpit. Ayan. Arm. Medyo natatanggal lang tong shoulder. Pero pwede nyo din ikabit yan. Madali lang naman. Tapos, kabit natin tong kanyang cannon. Ayan. Naka-equip na yung kanyang cannon. Hindi ko muna ipipress kasi i-customize pa natin to. Ayan. Tapos, teka lang ayusin lang natin. Okay. And then, meron din mga flame effects na pwede nyo i-attach sa base. So, kung saan may peg naman yung base. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pegs yung base niya. Kaya, pwede nating ipasok kung saan yung gusto. And then, yung base na very mechanical. Parang Gundam base type. Super nice. Pwede nyo ipagkabit. So nag-i-interlock sila para mas wide yung space for posing. And then you have this device. Hindi ko sure kung anong tawag sa device na to, pero meron siyang kasama. Pwede nyo hawakan. And then ito pa yung isang blade. And then meron din siyang axe. Silver axe. Okay? Very nice. Very nice addition sa Nemesis Prime. Pero yun mga momsir, that's it. Teka, articulation pa lang. Up, down, rotation. Tapos ito na-articulate din yung chest. Yan. Pwede nyo rin i-open. Tapos pwede nyo rin i-twist yung kanyang waist. And then you can put out the shoulders. Yan, shoulders. gagalaw din. Yan, up and down para mas mataas yung range of motion. Arms can rotate 360, elbows 90 degrees, tapos ball joint yung kamay, and then you can attach the energon swords or the swords. Then you can kick outward, something like that, forward that far, and backward that far. Joint less than 90 sa legs, tapos ball joint yung paa. Right, that's it. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun na yung review natin for Blocky's classic class na Mrs. Prime. This is a very nice addition sa mga Transformers collection natin mga ma'am sir. So next na mga couple of projects, nag-request na rin ako kay Blocky's kung pwede na i-deliver yung mga iba pang armors like Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Scourge, yung mga parts ng Rise of the Beast na mga movies. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.